Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I probably never made this video before. It is I don't really take canned food very often, but once a blue moon I will. And this is probably my first time making sardine canned food. Why I never really cook this is because my wife basically doesn't eat this. She's from Sabah. Sabah people, they always eat big fish. She always tell me that sardine fish is for cat. Okay, so anyway, today I'm going to make it. Yeah. So I have a canned sardine here. Of course, this is filled up with the tomato puree inside. Yeah, tomato flavor. And then I'm going to add in some spring onion. This is yellow onion and also some chili. I don't have spring onion. If not, I will add some spring onion inside also. So this is a super simple dish. Open the can, cook the whole thing, and then add in this. Done. Right. So here's the can. Just nowadays, opening canned food is very simple. They always have this thing here. Previously, when I was small, I always need to use some kind of tool. Then only can open. Right. So prepare a wok on the heat. Ooh, a lot of tomato puree inside. If I buy the smaller can, I'll probably add some tomato sauce also. Wow, this is very big. I think this is too big because my wife will not be eating this. Never mind. It is very thick, so I'm going to add in some water here, and let's bring this to a boil. Basically, this is already cooked. We are just heating it up. Once it started to boil, we can actually adjust the taste using some salt and sugar. Let me try out, because I did added some water to dilute it. Okay. I do think it's good to add in some tomato sauce. Right, a bit more tomato sauce here. This is really personal preference. You adjust it according to what you want it to taste. Yeah, a little bit of sugar, and I'll give it a little bit of light soy sauce. It's basically almost done. The veggie. Let it cook for a minute or two, then it's basically done. Right, this is after about 1 minute plus. Good enough. I don't need my onion to be soft. I prefer it this way. Actually, this is even less than 1 minute, not 1 minute plus. All right, done. Right, so here's Appa very simple dinner today. Done it within 5 minutes. Once a blue moon. Nowadays, canned food is also not cheap. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.